What if artificial intelligence could be the game changer in disaster response and management? When we speak of AI, or artificial intelligence, we're talking about machines and systems that can learn, reason, and act, much like humans. This technology has shown immense potential across various sectors, from healthcare to finance, and from entertainment to transportation. But what if we employed AI in disaster management? Imagine a system that can quickly assess the damage caused by a hurricane, earthquake, or wildfire, and then optimally allocate resources for relief efforts. This isn't a far-fetched idea, it's a reality that's being explored and utilized right now. AI can drastically enhance our ability to respond to disasters, minimizing loss and maximizing efficiency. As we delve deeper, let's examine how AI has been put to use in a real-life situation. In 2019, the state of California experienced some of the most destructive wildfires in its history. AI played a crucial role in managing this disaster. At the heart of the crisis, artificial intelligence was not just a tool, it was a game changer. AI's role in assessing damage was nothing short of transformative. By analyzing vast amounts of data from satellite imagery and on-ground sensors, AI algorithms were able to rapidly identify the most affected regions. This real-time mapping of the disaster zone allowed for a precise and comprehensive understanding of the scale and scope of the damage. But AI's contribution didn't stop at damage assessment. Another crucial part of the puzzle was optimizing relief efforts. AI algorithms helped strategize and prioritize. By identifying which areas were hit hardest and predicting the path of the fire, AI allowed for a proactive response. It enabled authorities to allocate resources efficiently, making sure that help reached where it was needed most and fast.